Welcome back to English with Sarah. I am Sarah, and I am incredibly proud of your dedication. Today is day 3 of our 10-day shadowing challenge. You are building an excellent habit.
Hi everyone, I am Tom. Welcome to day 3. Today we are tackling a major topic, phone calls and professional appointments. Many beginners feel terrified of speaking English on the phone, but today we will change that completely.
Exactly, Tom. On the phone, you cannot see the other person's face, so clear pronunciation is everything. That is why shadowing with English with Sarah is your best tool. Listen closely to the slow version, feel the rhythm in the natural speed, and then speak out loud during the pause. Let us begin.
Phrase number 1. Listen slowly. Hello, this is Tom speaking. How can I help you? Natural speed. Hello, this is Tom speaking. How can I help you?
Perfect. Phrase number 2. Listen slowly. May I please speak to Sarah from marketing? Natural speed. May I please speak to Sarah from marketing?
Excellent. Phrase number 3. Listen slowly. I am calling to ask about your opening hours. Natural speed. I am calling to ask about your opening hours.
Great tone. Phrase number 4. Listen slowly. Please hold on for just one moment. Natural speed. Please hold on for just one moment.
Wonderful. Phrase number 5. Listen slowly. I'm sorry, the line is very busy right now. Natural speed. I'm sorry, the line is very busy right now.
Good job. Phrase number 6. Listen slowly. Can I please leave a short message for him, please? Natural speed. Can I please leave a short message for him, please?
Very clear. Phrase number 7. Listen slowly. Could you please repeat your phone number slowly? Natural speed. Could you please repeat your phone number slowly?
Nice rhythm. Phrase number 8. Listen slowly. Thank you for calling. Have a nice day. Natural speed. Thank you for calling. Have a nice day.
Now, let's make an appointment. Phrase number 9. Listen slowly. I would like to book an appointment for Monday. Natural speed. I would like to book an appointment for Monday.
Fantastic! Phrase number 10. Listen slowly. Are you free at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon? Natural speed. Are you free at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon?
You are doing great. Phrase number 11. Listen slowly. Yes, that time works perfectly for me. Natural speed. Yes, that time works perfectly for me.
Brilliant! Phrase number 12. Listen slowly. I need to change my meeting to next week. Natural speed. I need to change my meeting to next week.
Perfect control. Phrase number 13. Listen slowly. I am sorry for the unexpected delay. Natural speed. I am sorry for the unexpected delay.
Outstanding! Phrase number 14. Listen slowly. Let's confirm the details via email. Natural speed. Let's confirm the details via email.
Great style. Phrase number 15. Listen slowly. It was a pleasure talking to you today. Natural speed. It was a pleasure talking to you today.
Superb! Now let's practice some basic office talk. Phrase number 16. Listen slowly. Where can I find the new project file? Natural speed. Where can I find the new project file?
Very useful. Phrase number 17. Listen slowly. I am working on this task right now. Natural speed. I'm working on this task right now.
Incredible accuracy. Phrase number 18. Listen slowly. We need to finish this before Friday. Natural speed. We need to finish this before Friday.
Almost there. Phrase number 19. Listen slowly. Can we schedule a quick team meeting? Natural speed. Can we schedule a quick team meeting?
Excellent! Phrase number 20. Listen slowly. Thank you for your great teamwork. Natural speed. Thank you for your great teamwork.
Keep going. Phrase number 21. Listen slowly. I will send you the report immediately. Natural speed. I will send you the report immediately.
Beautiful! Phrase number 22. Listen slowly. Let's discuss this idea together tomorrow. Natural speed. Let's discuss this idea together tomorrow.
Wonderful. Phrase number 23. Listen slowly. I am very happy with our progress. Natural speed. I'm very happy with our progress.
Powerful. Phrase number 24. Listen slowly. Do you need any extra help with this? Natural speed. Do you need any extra help with this?
Grand finale phrase. Phrase number 25. Listen slowly. We can achieve great results together. Natural speed. We can achieve great results together.
Absolutely spectacular! Another 25 professional and phone phrases are in your pocket. Doing this for 3 days in a row is a massive achievement. You're training your brain to think in English.
Yes, Sarah, making professional phone calls will feel so much easier after this. Don't forget to practice again tonight to lock in these patterns.
Make sure to subscribe to English with Sarah, like this video, and type in the comments below, Day 3 done.
And now, look ahead to tomorrow. Day 4 is going to be incredibly fun and relaxed. We're leaving the office and entering the social world. Sarah, give them a sneak peek.
Oh, Day 4 is wonderful. We are going to practice phrases for hanging out with friends, making weekend plans, talking about hobbies, accepting or declining invitations smoothly. It's the best vocabulary for making real connections.
Thank you for your amazing energy today on English with Sarah. Keep shadowing, keep smiling, and we'll see you tomorrow for Day 4. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.